it was a beautiful day. I thought we'd go for a hike up in the bush with the dogs. Mischa can be off leash. Fable can't be off leash yet. I don't trust her quite that much just yet, but she's getting there. And then when she's old enough, she can go off too. Baby, speak. Speak. Go. Free. Good girl. Up. Good. Quite confident enough to put my one down just yet. Good girl. But that's how far we've got with our ETV. There we go. Good girl. Thanks. Mischa! Good. Okay, we're heading home now. Boy, I look red. I really love hiking with the dogs. It's the best for the dogs, it's the best for you health-wise. This way, doggy dogs. Come on, this way. Good girls. Are you tired, Fable? Come on, time to go home. Baby. There we go. Good girl. One thing I have noticed about the differences between having a German Shepherd and an Australian Shepherd, thanks cockatoos, trying to film, is the German Shepherds obviously, I mean, Mischa is a working line German Shepherd, so she was bred to do protection work, so she has a lot of energy and stamina, and she can go all day, whereas obviously Fable, she's mostly show line. She doesn't have nearly the amount of energy that Mischa does, which is okay because sometimes I just want a dog that'll cuddle up on the lounge. I know Fable's black, so that makes a big difference in the heat. She's black and she's very, very fluffy. Different personalities, different energy levels, different trainabilities, different drives. Mischa is way more toy motivated than Fable. Fable likes to play occasionally, but she's really not that fussed. And Mischa has hardly any food drive at all, whereas Fable will eat until her stomach explodes. And work for that food too.